how to make lively wallpaper display on your monitor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now, after opening your Microsoft Edge store, you'll have to search for Lively Wallpaper and tap on Get. After it is installed, tap on Open. Now, you'll see a list of vibrant and engaging wallpapers, and you can choose any of it that you want. Here I have chosen a wallpaper and I can change the settings however that I want, and then I can tap on OK and then my wallpaper will be changed. There is also a add wallpaper option where you can choose a file and customize it according to your need. Now if you want to see how my wallpaper looks, there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I'll see you in the next video.